Hi, welcome to Stop to Health Holistic Wellness. I'm Mama V.
And I'm Justice.
And today we are sharing a video on the benefits of taking Cmos and what to expect and do when your Cmos arrives from Stop to Health.
First, we want to thank everyone for your support. Stay tuned to the end of the video and receive a 25% coupon code for Cmos from Stop to Health.
Disclaimer here. The information provided on Stop to Health and this channel is for educational purposes only and does not substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. So, what is Cmos?
It is a type of algae or seaweed that contains 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that the body is made out of, including vitamin B12, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, iodine, and selenium, and many more vitamins and minerals. All these contribute to the healthy cell function in the body.
So the easiest way to reap the benefits of Cmos gel is consuming it internally and applying it to the surface of the hair and skin. So we will add 2 links below on how to apply Cmos to your hair and how to apply Cmos as a face mask.
What to expect when you receive your Cmos from Stop to Health?
So depending on how many you order, if you order dry or gel form, it will arrive in this packet. This is a quick, safe, and cost-effective way of mailing it out to you.
Your 100% wild-crafted dry Cmos is stored in a resealable food-grade bag. You don't have to make it all at once, which will help your supply last longer. Once you make the gel, it will be good for 6 to 8 weeks refrigerated and up to a year in the freezer.
So there's a link below that will take you to a video on how to make Cmos gel by private chef Janeese, Boston. The Cmos gel is packaged in a multi-layer BPA-free vacuum sealed bag. You can open the bag and pour it into a jar. Some of our customers pour it into 2 jars for internal use and the second to use for hair and face mask.
Others have shared that they poured it into an ice tray, such as this one right here, for easy measurement and easy preparation for your smoothies and soup dishes.
So we gathered a few common questions that we've been asked to go over. So, how much Cmos do we take?
It's recommended to start out with 1 tablespoon and work your way up to 2 to 3 tablespoons.
So if you're taking iron or iodine supplements, consult your doctor because Cmos has a large quantities of both iron and iodine. So is the Cmos Fda approved?
Nope. No, it's not FDA approved. It is not intended to treat, cure, or diagnose any underlying condition.
So we can only speak on how it has helped us, our team members, and our customers. How long does it take to work?
Most people are so iodine deficient that when they start consuming Cmos, they notice a difference in energy and physical and mental health in a few days. On average, it takes about 3 to 6 weeks for a noticeable change. For me, it took about a day.
So where do we get our Cmos?
We receive our Cmos from Jamaica and St. Lucia, in areas in low population and industrial presence.
So here's a clip where our Cmos is being harvested in Jamaica before delivery.
Yeah, just come with I see. So, you can get them. So Michael, we got ready for the shipment shots again, you know. See them when sun catch them, see them real purple marks in the house, see them here. Sun catch them, see them real purple marks in here. Look at them. Fresh clean grass in the pan. See them here. Just a come out I see. You know? See them here. And them this. Yeah. Yeah man. We had the purple match done, you know. I'm bridging there, I dive up. Yeah, same here. I cheer there, I dive match.
Daddy Baptist.
Yeah, you know.
Daddy Baptist.
Yeah, I tell you. So.
Yeah, you know.
So what are the benefits of taking Cmos?
Our customers have reported the following.
Reported benefits of internal and topical uses from our team and customers. Energy increased. Notice endurance during workout. Post-workout recovery. Immunity boosting. Decrease in chronic pain and arthritis pain. Increase in libido.
Moisturized dry skin. Reduces appearance in wrinkles and lines, helps aid in eczema, reduce appearances of acne, scars, and blemishes, soothes minor cuts and burns, hair and nail growth because of the collagen. There are a host of benefits of taking Cmos. What we mentioned are just a few.
We will drop a link down below for more Cmos benefits.
We hope we've answered some of your questions and concerns. We appreciate you all so much and would like to add a 25% discount code for the purchase of Cmos at slapthehealth.com. Use code SMVideo.
For any questions or concern, email slapthehealth@gmail.com. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out for our next video explaining the benefits of flaxseed oil.
Peace, love,
And many blessings.